Okay, I'm going to show you how to get one of these off the Advanced Auto Parts website. So let's get at it. Okay, so you go to the Advanced Auto website, and I already have my card typed in here. Save some time. Oh, they want to give me a 20% off coupon. I want to try to make that a 25% off coupon. So I'm going to just run it through a scenario here, pretending. But say I wanted to get like an alternator today, and they go for like about $100, $200. So what I'll do is, instead of going straight to the alternators, I'm going to type in oil filter. And you can do this with any car. Computer's a little bit slow today. Let's have a slow connection. And just look at these filters. I'll look at the frame titanium here. Okay, just browse around here, look at it. Nice filter. Okay, I'll hit the back button. And let's look at the mobile filter too. Why not? Okay, we'll click on the mobile. And this is usually the scenario I go through. And I can usually get a 25% off coupon. If it doesn't work the first time, you can try it a few minutes later. Click off. Try it again afterwards. All right. Now what I'm really after is the alternator. I want to get 25% off an alternator. So I looked at the filters to make it kind of, I don't know. Yeah, I think it does something to the computer over there, and they'll end up throwing you a 25% off code. Okay, so I got CarQuest here for $199.9. So let's click on that. If you get 25% off of that, that'd be extra $50 instead of 40. Usually they don't even give you a 20% off. It's usually something like 15%. Okay, as you'll notice, it's when I go to hit the back button with the cursor that the coupon pops up. If it doesn't work the first time, wait a few minutes and repeat the procedure. Okay, back to the video. All right, let's go back and try it. There it goes. See, 25% off. You got 1 hour to use it. And say you just didn't want to get an alternator. Say you wanted to get something else like a starter. You could still use this. You hit the activation, give you a code. And then use that towards anything you want to buy in the store. But this only works for online purchases. So, you buy it online, go to the store a half hour later and pick it up. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and I hope this works for you. Take care.